morning. Today me and my mom were at Bishop's Pumpkin Patch and we're having a good time. It's perfect weather outside and we're sitting right in front of Mrs. B's Bakery. Mrs. B's Bakery. There's Bishop's gift shop and my mom just went in there and had fun, and that's where I bought my Bishop's pumpkin. It's a beautiful day today, and there's restaurants over there. Jailhouse Pizza, we get nachos, hamburgers, garlic french fries. Now we're going to go check out the cider mill. It looks like a big giant corn maze. Wow, look how big the pumpkins are. They're huge. It's huge. Hi, Mom. Hello. You like it here today?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful weather, huh? Well, here's where the train comes through. Let's hurry up and go over these train tracks. Oh, look at that beautiful pumpkin patch. It goes way back there. It's miles and miles. You can have a little venue, little band playing. You play this on the weekend. Well, we have to wait for the trains coming. Where's everybody, Mom? We're in the back here, and we just can't believe all the pumpkins they have. How many days till Halloween?
Not very long.
So they're probably over.
What's today, the 20th? About a week.
Yeah, so this place is really busy and they do look at business, but they still have a lot of pumpkins. They have a lot of pumpkins in the front too. And we couldn't ask for better weather. There's a nice breeze out here. You can maybe rent. Please, oh, and it looks like it's free.
Maybe at night.
Oh, by reservation. You could get a table with a fire pit. Yeah. And then it says to check in the check-in booth. That's really neat. That'd be pretty. That fire pit check-in. Just waiting for my mom, and again, it's just such a beautiful day here today. I think it's in the upper 70s and there's a nice breeze and it's close to Halloween. It just seems like a perfect fall day, and I love my new mask. Oh yeah. That always said to get it pumpkin.
This one's good. I wonder how much they are.
There's the white one, Mark.
Pumpkins are these?
I don't know. Is that a gourd?
They look like they have skin problems.
Yeah.
They're neat looking though, like if you stack them up with different colors.
Oh yeah.
Another favorite part of this park that I like is their morning glories all over. It's so beautiful. Candies, we got fudge right in there. And of course, conveniently placed next to the fudge is a cookie place. If you want a tri-tip sandwich and chicken strips, try the Tin Shed Barbecue. This is my other favorite place, the gift shop. Cookies. What kind of cookies are they, Mom? Chocolate chip or
Yeah,
what?
the other one. I don't know.
And we forgot what the other one was already. And we're gonna get coffee, so we look forward to trying their cookies here at Bishop's Pumpkin Patch. Okay, so we just got our bucket of cookies, and we got the chocolate chip. Of course, we're just gonna have a couple and take the rest home. We're not gonna eat all these today.
Jackson! Jackson!
Someone's yelling for the kid. Oh my word, these look so
Those
good.
do look good. I'm glad you got half and half.
Oh, you look so good today, Mom. And we got coffee. So how do you like it, Mom? It tastes like a brownie?
Very good.
And it's like chocolate with powdered sugar?
Just like a brownie with powdered sugar.
Oh, look at that. That's a beauty. Hello, folks. This is so good. It's not really a cookie, it's a brownie. It's really breezy. I can't keep my stuff from flying away. And now I'm going to try the chocolate chip. The chip cookie is really good. So we're wrapping up our trip, our little visit here at the Bishop's Pumpkin Patch and our Bishop's Pumpkin Farm. We always call it the Bishop's Pumpkin Patch. And just want to thank you for watching videos. Please share and hit the like button. And if you've never been to the Bishop's Pumpkin Patch, it is well worth the drive. We're I think 30 miles north of Sacramento. And bring your kids and you and your family will enjoy it.